right now, street foods, guys.
Yung balang dito to
Hello guys, we're eating a Filipino street food.
Ardugangan ko na lang tuwa kayo.
How much you spend for street foods? This one is 5
100
pesos per this stick.
I thought
It's
I
5,
thought,
10, 15, 20. 20
Pwede mo
pesos.
nag-live vlog mo ko ng tao, live ko na. Yung buto.
And then kwek kwek is 20 pesos. And then the kikiam
How
is
much for that,
20
Lani?
pesos
Can I
too.
have?
And then
It's 5 pesos.
you know, very cheap,
5 pesos
guys.
only?
Everything is
Oo,
very
5 pesos.
cheap.
So let's
If you're
try the
eating
isaw,
street foods.
guys.
This is isaw, very delicious.
Mm,
Isaw
tastes good.
means chicken instant skin.
Ano?
Intestine. Chicken intestine, right?
Yeah, chicken is
Intestine of chicken.
intestine.
Hindi na pagbalik butang eh. Di po gayaw, sumago. Ah!